Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sade. If you are new, thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm showing you guys how to revamp and refresh your old beat up or raggedy wigs, okay? No, I'm just kidding, but I will be showing you guys how to refresh your old wigs. As you can see, my closure is looking a little bit sparse, okay? It's been through some things, but you guys, this wig is actually 6 years old. This is the very first wig that I ever made when I first started my hair company, so she's very special. I've been holding on to her for dear life, and she still looks pretty good. She originally started out as a 30-inch wig. I have cut her and trimmed her over the years. Right now she's sitting at about 26 inches. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys an overview, and what we're going to do today is just take off the closure or frontal, whatever you have on your wigs, and we're going to reuse our bundles, and we're going to add a new closure, okay? So as you can see, she is still pretty full, but I do want to add one more bundle just to make it very full and luxurious. So we're about to get into that. I just wanted you guys to look at it and see the texture. It's still a very beautiful wig to be 6 years old, you guys. I mean, come on. The hair from my website, www.cashmerelondon, is A1 quality, and you really get what you pay for. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so the things that you're going to need is obviously your closure or your frontal if you choose to make this a frontal wig, an extra bundle, your stocking cap, and your spandex zone cap. This is the spandex zone cap that I had on hand, so that's what I'm going to be using. You're also going to need a couple of T-pins, some needles, and thread. So this is what the wig looks like after I took the bundles off. I know it looks crazy, but that's okay. So now I'm just going to add my new frontal, well, closure, put my new closure onto my mannequin head like so, and I'm going to begin to stitch. So if you want to see a very detailed video on how I construct a wig, I will link that down below in the description bar. And so I'm not sure where the clip of me sewing down the other side went, but yeah, it's the same thing on each side, so it's no biggie. You're just going to make sure that you stitch pretty close together, and I also double knot in between stitches just to ensure that that closure is not going to move. It's not going to have any lumps, any bumps. It's going to lay flat, and it is going to last you for years and years like the previous one. So yeah, just make sure that your stitching is very, very neat, and that's it, easy peasy. So this is what your closure should look like once you're done sewing, nice and neat. And now we're going to attach our first bundle. So I'm going to start off with the new bundle since it is a bit longer. This is 28 inches. So I'm going to start with this bundle, and yeah, just look at that, it's beautiful. So I'm going to start by double knotting it as close as possible to the closure, and then working my way around the perimeter of the nape. So you just want to make sure that your bundle and your closure meet, so there's no gaps in between. So I just thought that I would mention that I do double my wefts in the back. So if I'm using 3 bundles, I will double the first 2, and then when I get towards the top, I use single rolls just so that it can be super flat at the top. So now I'm finishing up that first bundle, and now we're going to move on to adding some of the old hair. So just like that in YouTube magic land, we are almost to the top. We are almost done. I didn't think that it was necessary for me to just show you guys how I stitched the whole wig. Like I said, I do already have a video on that, but I just wanted to come back and let you see how I finish up the top and to let you see how nice and full it is. So when you're done sewing your tracks, your last track should meet the top of your closure, well, the back of your closure, just like that. So now I'm going to take the wig off of the mannequin so that I can cut off the excess stocking cap, and then I'm going to customize the wig. And after I customize it, then I'm going to go back in and bleach the knots. Okay, so yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm just going to cut the rest of this band off.
Ay, filling my pocket with legal tender, cost me to be the winner. Fly out before I can
Okay,
see
so
the
you can
winner.
spray down your hair
dinners.
with water, you can add mousse, whatever you prefer. So I'm just going in with my tweezers and I'm doing like triangle sections, I guess you can say, tweezing out in triangles, and I'm just creating my hairline. So I don't really know how to explain this, but just kind of, you know, take your time and create the hairline that's best for you. So I'm just going to work my way through, and once I think that's good, I'm going to do a small parting and continue the same steps about 2 to 3 times until I feel like the hairline is perfect for me. If you want to do more, that's totally fine with you, but yeah, that's just what I'm doing now.
You ain't popping until you can fly out the country. I met on my city demands. I do not rock with authority morally. None of them be coming correct. Watch how you treating the one at the bottom tomorrow. He might just be coming to connect. I know that well what I know. I can't speak what I don't. I don't stress how you feel, so I'm gonna do what I want. Know that well what I know. I don't speak what I don't. I can't stress how you feel, so I'm gonna do what I want. I can't fight, I'm over that. That just feel like overkill. Act like I ain't told you that. Don't do that, you know the deal. I can't fight, I'm over that. That just feel like overkill. Act like I ain't told you that. Don't do that, you know the drill. Ay, filling my pocket with legal tender, cost me to be the winner. Shining so hard they gon' see me enter. No more TV dinners. All that I know is I know what I know, and I gotta go learn what I don't. I do recall how them that treated me. Wish I could say that it healed, but I won't. I've been up middle of the night, got a new riddle.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I did both sides. It's looking pretty good to me. I'm gonna stop at this point and go ahead and start to bleach my knots, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can part the hair. It just looks really good. I love the closures and frontals from Cashmere London. You definitely need to check them out. So yeah, get you some.
Don't even give them attention. If ever I feel their intention is different from mine, I do whatever I wanna, and most of them only gon' do what they fit in a break. Popping too much for the populous area. Roll me a blunt and go sit by the lake. Living my life in the moment. The power is present, and present is all that we got. None of these ain't telling me nothing.
So being that all the beauty supply stores are closed, this is the only dye I can get my hands on. Well, bleach I can get my hands on, and I'm using a 40 volume developer.
I don't speak what I don't. I can't stress how you feel, so I'm gonna do what I want.
So your lace should now look like this, nice and bleached. So now I'm gonna go on to installing the wig. So I did the ball cap method. If you don't know how to do this, I have a video on it, so I will make sure to link that in the description bar as well. So So I always tie my wigs down with my cashmere London head wrap so it can get nice and melted. And yes, look at that scalp. Okay, so I'm just cutting all the lace. I start in the middle and work my way from side to side. I was kind of rushing because when I take this video, it was actually Mother's Day. So yeah, it was supposed to have been up. I'm sorry, you guys, but yeah, I was rushing so that I could enjoy Mother's Day with my kids and my mother and my sister. So yeah, now I'm just going to get out my hot comb and press the hair, make sure that it's nice and flat, and then I'm going to flat iron it as well. So lastly, I'm going to just use this angled brush and apply some of my foundation. You can apply concealer, you can do pressed powder, whatever you choose to put on your parting. So I just grabbed the first thing that was in front of me, and I'm just going to put that in my parting for an extra scalped effect. And then I will set it with my powder as well. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. You can comb it, customize it however you want. Okay, you can have a middle part, you can do a side part. It's totally up to you. That's what I love about a 5x5 closure. You get to do a little bit more than you can with the 4x4. So yeah, definitely go to my website and shop and pick you up a closure, a frontal, or if you want a whole wig, get you a wig, girl, whatever your little heart desires. Shop Cashmere London. The link is always in the description bar. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you'll see what videos I come out with next. And I will see you guys later. So if you're gonna be using any of these, no, not if you're gonna be using so yeah, you guys, if you like this, she always does that. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned some tips, some tricks. My phone want to be disrespectful. I'm gonna try that again.
Try it again.